Pratibha Raman is now live with us from Bangalore for more on the story. Pratibha, the Chief Minister forcing to make a statement saying there will be no more junkets for MLAs, but this comes after much criticism, almost as an afterthought to what's been to the controversy that's swirled around him.
True. In fact, even last year, media had raised this as a big issue because the state has been thriving in drought, and for these MLAs to set out on a tour is completely unreasonable. And now to think that they are again setting out on a tour, in fact, there were like 3 committees who had set this proposal to go on this tour. One committee is just arrived, and 2 others proposing their trip sometime in the next month or the month after that. And now, after raising a hue and cry about this, is when the Karnataka CM realizes that he has to really intervene and check with the speaker to thwart such future junkets, considering that there are so many other issues that the state has to really handle as of now, considering the debt situation, the sugarcane farmers' woes, as well as the drought situation here in the state. And all this has led to people really question the fact that MLAs are spending so much of money. Nearly 8 lakh rupees spent on every MLA who has gone on this tour. And to consider that these MLAs give us such flippant excuses, saying that they went on a tour to sightsee, and that is how they had to gain knowledge about development and infrastructure, is something really preposterous, because there are no seminars, no workshops, no appointments with any kind of officials or authorities. That makes us wonder whether this was really a study tour or just an excursion trip, and they have really no answer to that. They say that they have learned. One highlight that I asked them to suggest that they would like to implement in their constituency, and the answer that I get is the fact that they want to eradicate poverty, and they learned that people have to really open up. Is this the way to actually go on a study tour and find out just this one flippant highlight? That is what is making Bangaloreans really, as well as people in Karnataka, really very angry.
Yeah, and it's not just that, what you just said, Pratibha. You mentioned 8 lakhs per MLA for a trip like this. The last time they went on a study tour, the report that they filed after that was copied off the internet.
Absolutely. In fact, when I did pose this question as well, he said that we have 1 month as our deadline to submit the report. And even when we question them on the implementation of such reports, even if it is plagiarized or otherwise, are they really going to implement all this? And they have no answer to that. They say that the authorities have to decide. And who are the authorities? And if the authorities have to decide, why do these MLAs have to go on such trips and submit a report? So all these question marks are being raised, but then there are absolutely no answers. But then the only good thing is that finally Karnataka government has woken up and at least tried to thwart all future junkets now. So we'll have to wait and see how far that decision will be implemented.